In this video, we're unboxing the diesel engine fuel system bleeding tool. Unboxing the diesel engine fuel system bleeding tool. This is the product label. Various sizes of fuel line priming adapters. Hand-operated priming pump. The demo vehicle for this demonstration is Land Rover Discovery4. Diesel engine 3.0T. Remove the hand-operated priming pump. Select the fuel line fitting that fits the vehicle. We can notice there's an arrow on top of this airbag. The direction of the arrow indicates the diesel fuel flow direction. This side right here needs to be installed on the fuel pump side. This other side goes toward the fuel tank. Install it first. Then squeeze the airbag. Pull the diesel fuel out. We can see the fuel getting pulled up. Keep priming until there are no more air bubbles. Bleed it until the line is completely free of air. Remove the airbag hose assembly. Remove the other hose as well. Remove the adapter. Plug the fuel line back in. Restore the hose.